Hi guys, today we're going to be using this empty milk container and some lolly sticks to make a lovely spring vase, a vase that represents spring. So stay tuned. Guys, I am trying new things and don't be afraid to try new things also. And these are things, little projects that you can allow your child or children to assist you with. Yes, and guys, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Help me to grow this channel. I'm putting out a lot of effort, people, to do these things every week. Yeah, and I thank you so much for the support so far. Continue to support my channel. Thank you.